We're here with another breakdown video on gold. So this is where price is currently at on Wednesday the 17th of January. So if we look at our previous high on gold, the high was made last year December the 4th. This was the highest point on gold. If you look in the past, this was May the 1st 2023, 28th of February 2022, and here we have August the 3rd 2020. So currently price is ranging at this point, but there's always still opportunity in the market depending on your trading style. So on the daily time frame, we see that price is tracing from our second retest of previous high that price made, right? So this was the previous high. From there, price started to retrace back to this support area, right? On the 4 hours time frame, from this high we had a retest, then price came back to this support area, this minor support area, right? I don't want to go on the 4 hours time frame as yet. I want you guys to see a clear picture of how price is reacting from this high that we have, right? So from this high that price gave us that retest, we came back into this minor support area, right? And if you guys notice, around 2 a.m. price broke this level just before we had London opening. So pre-London session price broke this level, came down here. We had some weak rejection at the opening of New York session, and from there price went into this ranged. We had some news event around this time, so we had consolidation right at this point here before price did this crazy wick to the downside and then wick to the upside. Now on the 1 hour time frame, you guys could see a more clear picture as to what happened. So here we had some news event, right? Price wicked down and then wicked to the upside, giving us that confirmation that price would not continue above this level. Now if price had closed above this point here, we will then get some continuation to the upside. But price didn't do that. Price then closed back down here into the range that we had and then continued to our major area of support. Now let me go back on the 4 hours time frame. Right now on the 4 hours time frame, we could see that this area here is a major area of support, right? We had support in the past, it was resistant, then we had support, and then price came back to give us a next support. Basically price wicked into this area and maintained this area of support, right? Now what we're looking for is to see if price will continue to maintain the support, which price is basically doing right now. We are currently live, so if price could maintain the support through today going into tomorrow, Thursday, we can possibly see price, like maybe price would give us a next push to the upside, maybe something like this, and consolidate at this area of resistance before breaking it. So then we could look for buying potential, right? But if price does not break this area of resistance that we have, then our next hope is that price will break the support, which is beneath this major level of support, to give us a meltdown to the downside. Now if we should look at long-term positions on gold, we could clearly see that this is a big area for price to come back and retest as an area of support, right? We just want to keep that in mind, guys. Just wait and see how price will react to this area of support. It is maintaining support currently. The key thing is to wait, always wait to see how price will play out, and based on what price do, then from there we could react to how the market is trending. So just keep these possible outcomes in mind. Price could potentially go higher above this support, which is now a resistance level, and trade it back up into these area. But currently we're still at this level of support, which price look as if momentum is slowing. So price might give us a break somewhere here, might give us a fake out to then come back at support to then trend higher, our price might just break and continue from there to the downside back at this support. So basically that's what we're looking at gold right now, guys. No trade is active. We're still waiting to see a possible outcome. So yeah,